Wet bag, looks great anywhere, easy to clean by KidThings is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. So you can go anywhere without worrying about keeping your fresh stuff away from your wet stuff. Quality look and feel of this wet dry bag makes you think it's a beautiful fashion accessory. Color fast treated so colors will stay bright and clean for years. Inner waterproof lining doesn't leak and is close friendly. Unlike chloride-based vinyl, this Pavo vinyl contains no toxic ingredients, gives off no gas, and does not smell. Your wet items are completely safe in the wet pouch. Keeps moisture and odors away from your dry stuff in the mesh dry pouch. Especially important if using wet bags for cloth diapers, seams are double-stitched and sealed. Snap buckle and strap lets you attach this dry wet bag anywhere. Super convenient. Hang from your wrist, fashion statement. Attach to your stroller, put in a larger bag, or hang from anything you like. Hanging wet bag is so convenient for baby travel. And they are great wet bags for swimwear too. 180-day no questions asked money back guarantee. If you aren't satisfied for any reason, simply return for a full refund.